everyone. Welcome to the Warrior Trading Channel. In this video we are discussing about fractal indicator before start trading. Look and carefully watch the trade. The fractal indicator is based on a simple price pattern frequently seen in financial markets that can suggest potential reversal. Now, we'll explore how the fractal indicator works. A bullish fractal occurs when a low point has two higher low bars/candles on each side. A bearish fractal occurs when a high point has two lower high bars/candles on each side. An up arrow marks the location of a bearish fractal, while a down arrow marks the location of a bullish fractal. Arrows are drawn above or below the middle bar, high or low point, even though the pattern is 5 bars. A trader shouldn't enter a trade at the arrow because the arrow only occurs if the following 2 bars create the pattern. The fractal indicator identifies potential trend reversals by spotting recurring patterns across different time scales. Suppose you're using a map app to zoom in on a coastline map. As you do, the jagged edges maintain a similar shape whether you're looking at miles of shoreline or just a few feet. This self-similarity at different scales is the essence of fractals, and it's this concept that the indicator applies to financial markets. The fractal indicator doesn't rely on complex mathematical formulas. Instead, it identifies specific price patterns that occur naturally in markets. When correctly interpreted, these can signal potential turning points in trends, offering traders prospects for both entries and exits. The bullish fractal pattern signals the price could move higher. A bearish fractal signals the price could move lower. A down arrow marks bullish fractals, and an up arrow signals bearish fractals. On this channel, boost your trading success with my expert signal service. I provide 5 to 10 daily trading signals to help you make profitable trades. Simply subscribe to my YouTube channel for market analysis and join my Telegram channel to receive real-time signals. Check my track record to see my successful trades. By following my signals, you can increase your profits and achieve financial goals. No experience needed, my expert guidance helps you trade with confidence. Must subscribe my YouTube channel and Telegrams for more videos and updates.